Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply a coupon or how to use a code, how to redeem a code on Amazon. So what you need to do is go to your account. So in the top right corner you have your account over here. Let's click on it. Now we need to go to your payments. And then over here on the left side we have rewards and balances. And you can, for instance, click on the Amazon gift card, or you can click on add rewards and balances. And then over here you have a voucher. You can redeem a voucher over here. If you have a gift card, then of course over here you have redeem a gift card. So let's choose the gift card option. And then over here you need to enter your code. If you, for instance, use a Microsoft Edge, then you might be already offered a bunch of different codes which you can try to use. And you can use apply to your balance button in order to claim the code. Over here you can also see the information about how to find a code. And if we go back and try the voucher, so let's once again go over here and then redeem a voucher, and it looks pretty much the same. Over here you can enter your voucher or your code, and then you can click add to your Amazon account, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!